Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you some DIYs that I created with stuff that I had around the home. And also guys, please remember you can make your home look beautiful with simple little things. Remember to subscribe, like and share, hit the notification bell so you can see similar videos like these. Thanks again for watching. See you at the end of the video. For the first DIY, I'll be using a cardboard packaging box that I found in a scale that I purchased. So all you would need is white cement, water, a brush or something to apply the white cement mixture to the box. So here's a lovely design box. You will then mix the white cement and the water until the mixture is very smooth. After that, you just take the brush and apply it over the cardboard box until it's completely covered. So here you see me applying it generously until it's completely covered. Once it is fully covered with the white cement, I leave it to dry, and then I went in with some spray paint and sprayed. This was done off camera. And here's the finished product. I hope you like it. It can be used for any little things, to store jewelry, you can use in your living room, etc. For the next project, I used these balls. They were really toys that I saw in a store. I got them and I just applied some spray paint. I used black spray paint, and on the other one I went in with some white spray paint. The white spray paint wasn't really applying very well, so I just changed it and went into some silver spray paint. So here you'll be seeing me going in with the silver spray paint afterwards. And here's a finished product. You can use it to do anything around the house. Hope you like it. Very simple. For the next DIY, I'll be using this decor. It's a board actually. I'll be using it for a wall art. So here I went in with some white paint that I had, and I also had a little cream paint, so I mixed it with the white and the cream. I went in and traced family on it, and then I used black acrylic paint. So here you see me forming out the letters with the black acrylic paint. I'm not really good with the whole art and craft thing, but just showing you ideas with stuff that you have around the house and what you can do with it. I hope you like it. So this is to give you ideas of what you can do with stuff you have around the home. And for the other project, I'll be using this geometric shape kids toy. It's a shape toy. It came flat and I glued the corners with E6000 glue, after which I went in and sprayed it silver. This was done off camera as well, just showing you simple stuff that you can do with things around the home. Here's the finished product. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Remember to let me know which of these DIYs is your favorite. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Hope you enjoy. See you next time.